Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by opening Google Earth and signing in so your projects and pins sync. Once signed in, make sure your browser or app allows WebGL and location. This powers 3D and compass controls. Next, type an address, coordinates, or place name into the search bar and press enter to jump there instantly. Then use scroll or pinch to zoom and drag to pan. Make slight tilts to reveal 3D buildings. These first steps get you into the map and ready to build. Once you're on the location, explore layers and styles. Switch satellite, terrain, or labels to reveal more context. Make place marks to mark points of interest, then draw paths or polygons for routes and zones. You can import KML or KMZ files if you have data. Use the ruler tool to measure distances or areas. Select km, mi, or meters for precision. Also tilt and rotate to inspect elevations and buildings. This helps when planning routes or visualizing sites. To finish, save your edits and layers into a project or My Places so nothing is lost. Once saved, export as KML or KMZ, or take a high-resolution snapshot to include in presentations. Use present mode or share the project link to collaborate with others. Before you leave, confirm sync completed on your account. If you run into issues, clear the browser cache, make sure WebGL is enabled, and update the app or browser. This single troubleshooting step fixes most rendering or loading problems.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.